Welcome to the channel of Slow Foods Kitchen. I'm Felicia Tappan, a founder where the best kale chips in the world are found. But today we are going to teach you how to make tofu salad for all you vegan loving, vegan wanting to be. I need to change my carnivore ways. Here's how you do it. First, you take a box of firm tofu, cut it open, drain the water out, take it, put it in a bowl. Oh my goodness. Now we're just going to crumble it up into like kind of bite-sized smaller pieces. Make sure you use firm, because if you use the silken or soft one, it's not going to be very chunky. Won't keep its chunky shape. So it's a real quick process. See there? Okay, so there you go. That's what it looks like. See? Wipe my hands off. That was a little messy. Now, I'm not going to use a recipe. I'm just going to pretend like I'm at home in my kitchen, and this is how I would make tofu salad. I mean, egg salad or tuna fish salad years ago. So I'm going to put a celery, onions, fresh garlic, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and our house has always been a fan of pickle relish. Use it or don't. Or use whatever you want. So first thing we did was cut the celery in half, and then we're going to cut the celery in tiny little long slivers. That's what we do. And then we're going to turn it sideways, and we're just going to chop it up real fine. And there we go. I should have done 2 sticks of celery, so while I'm at it, let's do one more stick. I like a lot of veggies in my food. And just like that natural, or the world's largest what's it called? Microbiome study. How do we feed the most internal organs in our cells, deepest cells inside our body? It's by eating good fresh raw foods. That's how we do it. So the study said, which I mentioned in a couple videos, that if you eat 30 plants per week, as in if you ate an apple, that's a plant. If you ate a salad, that's a plant. Probably if it was a really big salad, you probably could be 2 or 3 plants, right? Put the garlic off there. I'm gonna have to scrape that. So we're gonna just put that in. And we're gonna do the same thing with some onion. Yeah, we're gonna put a half an onion. That was 1 pound of tofu, 2 sticks of celery, and now half of a small onion. There we go. Put that in the bowl. And there's nothing like fresh garlic. So this garlic is frozen. We keep it in the freezer just to keep it fresh, because we buy 5 pounds at a time. But take it when it's frozen. It doesn't have to be, but just grate it onto a grater. Push it through. When it's frozen, it just kind of melts into the thing. I'm going to do 3 small cloves, only because I like lots of garlic. If you don't like garlic, don't put it in. So that's about it for the veggies. There we go. We're going to squeeze a lemon. Put that away, and we're going to use our Follow the Heart grapeseed oil-based vegan mayonnaise. A couple of big spoons, not too much, because you can always add more, but you can't take it back, right? So, wipe my hands off a little bit. We're going to put some fresh ground black pepper. We grind our own here in the kitchen, because there's nothing like the fresh release of the oils in the peppercorns. Gonna get some good sea salt. There we go. Then we're going to stir it up with this little spoon, because I didn't get a big spoon. And that's basically it. And I did mention earlier that my kids were big on pickle relish. Like they like a little bit of tofu with their pickle relish. So I'm just going to load it up, right? And we're going to put some more in, because anybody that knows Amanda knows she loves pickles. Okay, and then we just stir it up. Now, if for some reason your salad, okay, that didn't get cut up. is a little too liquidy, but you just don't have what. So what do I do? I want it to be thicker. Well, you can grind up some flaxseed and put about, I would say, half a tablespoon to a tablespoon, and within about 5 minutes, that flaxseed's going to get nice and gooey and thicken up your salad. So our salad right now is ready to go. So what are we going to do with our salad? We're going to take a fresh slice of jicama. I'm going to put our salad in it, or your favorite bread, or whatever. And we're going to go, yum, this is good. Tasty. There's that button down there. You know what to do with it. Like it, subscribe, hang out with us. We do fun stuff. Bye. Now what?